You're looking at an amazing 300ZX twin turbo. This one is an amazing car. It's so much fun to drive on the highways. It's fast, it screams. It is the T-top version. Does have a leather interior. Has a Bose sound system. The T-tops are the back with the T-top undercovers also. The leather seats are in excellent condition. As you can see, there's not really any major rips or tears. There's a couple little marks over here. The passenger side is actually in excellent condition. Do have the 300ZX full R mats, the regular ones. This one only has 112,000 miles. Has climate control, cruise control, power windows, door locks. Lots of items in this one. Tires are in pretty decent condition. They're not brand new, but they are pretty good. They have a lot of tread still left on them. Does come with an aftermarket exhaust. Sounds amazing. Sounds really, really beefy and loud. Let's start it up. These cars are hard to find, they're very rare. They're tons of fun. This is the Pearl White edition. Just a timepiece of a car. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love driving it on the highways. Goes pretty fast all around. Beautiful looking. Definitely get a lot of thumbs up on this one. It's because you don't see too many of these around. And she's a beauty.